In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize the taskbar of your PC or laptop. So firstly, let's jump into the taskbar. Go to your taskbar and right click and click on taskbar settings. And here you can see the different toggle option. Here I have my widgets on. Here you can see this. And if I want to turn off my widgets, just simply click on the toggle off option, and also I have task view opened up here. That means that I can switch to two different desktop, and if I turn this off, the task view option will be turned off. And you can turn either on or either off by using this personalization. And on the system tray icons, you can see different options for touch keyboard or pen menu. You can either turn that on or you can turn off. It's just basic settings. And if you go to system tray icons, you will see different options to toggle them on or off. You can use them according to your need. And if you go to taskbar behaviors, you will see different options to either to hide the taskbar or show badges or show flashing on the taskbar apps. So you can either simply toggle on or off the taskbar. And if you move on to personalization and click on corners and scroll it down a bit, you will see show action color and start in taskbar. Since I do not have this feature to turn on this toggle, and after you toggle the option, you will be able to change the action corners on taskbar. And if you want your taskbar to be rounded or transparent, just visit the link that we put in the description and download both of these taskbar 11.exe and GUI.exe file, these two files. And after the file is downloaded, just click to run the taskbar 11.exe and you will notice the changes in the taskbar. Here you can see my taskbar is changed, and if I want to change this taskbar again, I'll simply go to the desktop and click on the taskbar configurator, and I can click square corners, or I can change corner radius and click on apply. You can see this taskbar is already changed and I do not have that tray here. So these are some of the methods to change the look of your taskbar in your Windows. And if you want to learn more customization on desktop, we will be bringing you some more videos shortly. Do not forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you for watching.